Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend, and obviously, I'm here now at Reina ng Turismo 2024 sashing ceremony. And of course, I'm here with the reigning queen of Reina ng Turismo 2023. I'm here with Ash Aldama. Hi, Ash.
Hello po.
How are you, Dee? Right after nung, coronation night and yung mga journey mo?
I feel so happy kasi po it's almost a year ng aking reign bilang Reyna ng Turismo Cavite. And now, nandito na tayo sa second edition ng Reyna ng Turismo Cavite. Very exciting ako sa mga candidates na masasash this night.
All right. Ash, let's talk about your journey here sa Reyna ng Turismo. How was your journey and kumusta yung experience mo?
It was a beautiful journey for me kasi after the pageant, we did the sole advocacy and the sole purpose of the pageant, which is to promote the tourism of Cavite. We did vlog series featuring some of the municipalities dito sa Cavite. So, super enjoy at napakagandang experience to kasi it made me realize na napakaganda ng Cavite and it made me love Cavite even more.
Nice. And kitang-kita naman, di ba, yung mga post ng Reyna ng Turismo as well as yung mga post mo sa social media. Talagang nag-enjoy si Ash Aldama sa kanyang journey as a reigning queen of Reyna ng Turismo. And ano nga bang next, right after this, ng ating reigning queen ng Reyna ng Turismo 2023?
Oh, our founder, Madam Jacinta Rimulya, is planning to send me to Miss International Queen Calabarzon this year. So, watch out!
Wow, mukhang na-surprise ang ating mga taga Cavite. And you are representing what province or?
Of course, I will be representing Kawit, Cavite.
Nice. And for sure, maso-surprise as well as matutuwa ang mga taga Kawit, Cavite and at ang buong Cavite as well.
Of course. Kaya dapat abangan nyo po ang lalong-lalo na itong Reyna ng Turismo Cavite kasi every year yung winner will be representing ng Cavite for MIQ.
Nice. So, isang magandang sorpresa talaga para sa ating mga pageant fans, especially sa mga LGBTQ plus community natin na nag-aabang sa Reyna ng Turismo as well as, and of course, sa ating MIQ page. Anyway, Ash, this year's, ano ba yung mga kaabang-abang or aabangan ng ating mga fans ng Reyna ng Turismo Cavite?
I must say, this is gonna be the Bardagulan edition of Reyna ng Turismo Cavite kasi sa napakagandang influence and impact na ibigay ng RNT sa Cavite, talagang naglabasan ng mga Diyosa ng Cavite. So, you will expect we have double and triple entry from different municipalities dito po sa Cavite.
Wow, pwede pala yung ganun.
Opo, pwede po siya.
Nice. Ash, since na balita mo na you will be competing sa MIQPH, ano na yung mga preparation na pinaghandaan mo dito?
To be honest, I don't have any preparation yet kasi we're focused on the year of Reyna ng Turismo Cavite. Medyo busy po kami dito kasi pinaghahandaan po namin yung second year ng RNT 2024.
And for sure, may nakikita ka na kung sino magiging successor mo. Meron ka bang kahit ano lang, konting hint na favorite mong candidate for this year's Reyna ng Turismo 2024?
Naku, napakahirap kasi there are 29 candidates pero I must say malakas ang laban sila 13, Bacoor, Imo City, and Gentry and Tasma. Ang dami nila. I can pick one.
Yeah, so ang dami talagang mga Diyosa ngayong taon na to. And congratulations of course kay Madam Jacinta for this. Ngayon pa lang, I congratulate her kasi sobrang gaganda ng mga candidates. And I guess they are very competitive pagdating sa mga each segments.
Yes, definitely. Talagang mas kaabang-abang ngayon ang Reyna ng Turismo Cavite kasi it's diverse candidates for sure.
Alright. Ash, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan during your journey here at Reyna ng Turismo?
Of course, first and foremost, I'd like to thank our founder and our one and only Queen Mother, Madam Jacinta Rimulya, for giving this beautiful and amazing platform for the LGBT community. Napakabihira lamang para sa ating mga member ng LGBT na mabigyan ng ganitong kagandang oportunidad. So, Madam Jacinta really believes in her potential, in her capabilities, and in her talent. So, maraming salamat po. And also sa Team Kawit, hi po sa inyong lahat and to all my followers. Thank you.
Ano pa yung aabangan namin sa iyo, Ash?
Ang dapat yung abangan is magbabalik contest na po.
Wow.
Magbabaranggayan na po ako.
Sa barangayan muna.
Yes. Opo, para training ground din po siya for MIQ.
Nice. Ano pa, ulitin ko lang ha, this year ba or by next year pa yung sasali?
I think it's gonna be this year, but MIQ Calabarzon 2024. Since yung sa MIQ Calabarzon po 2023 po yan, di ba?
Oh, alright, abangan ka namin, Ash.
Thank you po.
And one last question na lang, Ash. Ano yung pinaka hindi mo malilimutang experience sa journey mo dito sa Reyna ng Turismo?
Of course, yung isa sa hindi ko makakalimutan is that when we did the vlog series, kasi I felt like we're not just being treated like a celebrity, pero yung pinaka-core purpose ng vlog is ma-promote yung bawat tourist spot and destinations dito sa Cavite. Hindi ko makakalimutan kasi it's a privilege na I never imagined na I would experience through RNT.
And of course, one last question na lang, dear. Ano yung mga changes na, of course, nangyari sa buhay mo right after mo manalo as Reyna ng Turismo 2023?
Actually, Reyna ng Turismo Cavite, I considered this as my biggest achievement in my life because I think that I found out my purpose as member of the LGBT community. It doesn't just change, but elevated my life as part of LGBT and as a human being as well.
Does it mean ba na you are become a part of the Reyna ng Turismo organization?
Well, let's see. Hindi ko pa po alam if I will become part of RNT. Pero knowing Madam Jacinta, she really wants us to be embedded na sa RNT. So, let's see.
Wow, bonggang-bongga naman. And I've seen your you're hosting during the Miss Universe Philippines. Naik, ang galing-galing mo doon. Who trained you for hosting?
I don't have any proper training when it comes to hosting. So, maraming salamat mo sa mga nagustuhan and sumuporta. And to all the bashers, please bear with me. I'm just a neophyte in that kind of stint. So, thank you po.
While talking to the bashers, what's your message to them?
Have a little more patience para sa akin po. Yeah. I love you all.
Alright, thank you so much, Ash. And of course, meron ka bang gustong i-promote sa social media platforms mo?
Of course, I would like to promote the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account of Reyna ng Turismo Cavite, and of course, the Facebook page of our founder, Madam Jacinta Rimulya. Thank you so much.
Ayan, congratulations once again, dear. And best of luck sa next journey mo sa international or national as well. And of course, I'm looking forward for the international pageant, diba?
Malay mo.
Alright, thank you, dear.